Hey guys, today is the season of love for, NSM, and, well, you see I am on Air Island right now, or if you don't see, you hear, and I think you know what I have on right now, since that balloon is on. Ta-da! But that's not all. If I just... Boom! I actually got a seasonal decoration. My first seasonal decoration. Oh, and if you never noticed, on my plant tile, when I was in the conundrum, I didn't even buy this. When I was in the conundrum, I got... Yeah. Debbie, I'm making a video right now, so please don't talk to me. Sorry. But if you never noticed, I actually got, if I can find them. Oh yeah, I also did a little bit of rearranging. Look it. I got this from the conundrum, the thing that's on this man's head. On his head. This man's head. I didn't buy it because those costumes aren't out yet. I think they start like 10 days. But yeah, I got this in the conundrum, and by the way, boom, completing the conundrum. No, I think it's because you just didn't put... Oh, sorry. I was thinking to myself. Okay. Sorry. Me and a Hawaiian roll. Whatever it's called. A Hawaiian bride. Thank you, Sugar Bush. Thank you. Those are the snacks. Oh, by the way, I should have showed you this when I actually got him, but look. Remember I used to only have 2 on here? 2 beds occupied 3.
Can you tell me who would win in a fight between a shark and a thousand piranhas?
Look it.
It's different.
Hold on, let me make him look normal for a sec. I don't want him with a costume right now. Oh yeah, and I also got this different, it's called POV Grandpa. I think you probably know what's gonna be.
Yeah, me too. My heart.
That's pretty.
Wait a minute. Can you understand everything I'm saying? This is a big help. Okay. My name is
Hold on. That's gonna make my ears not work even more. Okay, well, I'm done listening to this. Hold on. I need to give all these guys that are on here already songs. POV Grandpa. Bro to POV Grandpa.
Hey! Better not get bored and give it up right away.
Oh, by the way, if you want to join my tribal, you cannot because I joined somebody else's. But if you want to give me, like, diamonds, I've been doing this for the last, like, 10,000 years, but if you want, if I can find where I show my friend code, hold on, remember,
Shark has bear has alligator. Shark bear. Darwin, let's agree to never take these off. Agree.
ha, level 1, meanwhile, level 1 as well, meanwhile me, level 4, meanwhile Shelby, level 80, meanwhile Kana, too powerful for levels. Oh, by the way, which island should I do next? Should I start working on Air Island, or should I skip to Earth Island, or should I skip all the way to Bone Island? Or Fairy Island, or Physics, this one, or this one. I really started all of them.
What is it to my new style? Very
Bum bum billy bum 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 billy bum bum billy bum bum billy bum bum billy day. Sorry. Billy bum billy bum billy bum. Hey, some more XP before I get to level 20.
Everything okay at school, honey? Yeah, school is awesome! Especially when you're wearing one of these. It's just that it kind of looked like the kids were making fun of you back then. Yeah, laughing with you can't sound
I
like
don't
laughing
think
at you.
we're like
They even call us the karate wieners! I think it's because we always wean at
Okay.
karate.
Let's see. Maybe I should try. Okay, if this one doesn't work, I'm probably. Actually, no. Let me go for Stalk this time. So, Chuck.
Nice costumes, guys.
Oh, no.
Nah, sorry, Dad.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
not sure you're ready for the responsibility.
I understand.
Come on, Darwin. Let's go practice some killer moves.
Rock Fire.
You know what a true warrior needs for a good warm-up?
Equals Shimmer!
No, Darwin, sorry. Inspiration.
Every time I look in the mirror, all I see is the inner warrior staring back at me.
Oh, Richard, I'm so worried about them.
Why? It's a great track.
They're obsessed with those outfits, and the kids at school are making fun of them. You know how mean kids can be. Richard? If people make fun of them,
Just give internet. That's what you're supposed to do.
And it's wasting time.
You're literally
That's
made
living
for
here
Wi-Fi.
and wearing those ridiculous karate outfits.
Yeah. I think we wasted our lives.
Boys, hi, Mom. Check out Darwin's sweet scissor kick. When did you post this? We didn't. Some kids at school did. Boys, look at the title. Taekwondo dorks. I think they might be making fun of you. Nah, they just spelled Taekwondo wrong. Korean spelling is very complicated. There's loads of other fellow senseis on here. Look. Hey! I need to tell you a story. Cool. Is it a fable about a great martial arts warrior? Not exactly. When your father was in school, he thought he was Cottontail Cavalier. Alone. At least he's brave enough to be himself.
Can I do this the whole way? Bye, Alex. Take it. Bad mushroom.
For amazing deals on your favorite brands every day at Nordstrom Rack. What will you find? Rack your look. In stores, on app, and online. Hurry to Kohl's February clearance event for savings you don't want to miss. Save up to 85% after an extra 50% off while you still can on must-haves like home favorites, active prints, jeans, sweaters, boots, and PJs. Kohl's. I think that's everything. You gonna hit me?
gonna end this video here. I'm sorry. I'm gonna brush my teeth now.